Hello, this is the temporary tutorial for this brain to Minecraft computer assembly written in Scratch. So I have a website of it. It's not done, hence the work in progress. And here's how you use it. You can import your brain code in, but please hold. Okay, and we're back. So, as I was saying, to import, you just import this, and you can import a text document. And in my case, I'm going to put a hilariously long brain script. And then you literally just click that button. And then usually you won't have to wait, it'll be instant, but there is a stop function, hence the hilariously long input, which will give you an absolutely ridiculous output that will never load. So you can delete BFN just by clicking it and then clicking "Are you sure?" That's so you don't misclick it and know yourself, and you can clear the console. And then, and then to export, you just do that. Export, and it will download it, and then you can just rename that to .as or assembly. So, yeah,